Getting the CE-33729-4 error on your PS4. Here are two ways you can fix it. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. You can also support us through Buy Me a Coffee. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is reset your router. Look at the back of your router and you should see a reset button. Use a pin or something that fits to press the reset button. You will have to set up the router again after it's reset, but resetting it should solve this error. Method 2. The next thing you can do is use a different router or an internet connection. This error mainly happens when your IP gets banned, either due to multiple failed password attempts or something else that might seem malicious to the PlayStation network. Using a different router or internet connection bypasses this issue and you will be able to use your PS4 without this error. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Join our Facebook group where you will get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Support our dedicated team of troubleshooters and editors directly through Buy Me a Coffee. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.